That's all I heard. He just said. So Eminem is not even in the category. Lil Wayne just said everybody.
He like 2 years ago.
Y'all can't talk about that shit because people think that Future is a good rapper. The same niggas that think Future is a good rapper think Lil Wayne is a good rapper. You niggas about to go off of those niggas' opinions?
No, this is my opinion.
Listen,
niggas do not know what good music is now.
The reason those two was all over the internet is through popularity. Tupac got songs out right now.
Lil Wayne hit Diamond yet?
There's Tupac songs out right now.
Don't even start with that shit. Lil Wayne never hit Diamond. Eminem did that shit twice. Eminem did that shit twice.
Yes, he did.
What's the point?
Eminem did that shit twice.
I think Eminem smacked too hard. What? He smacked heavy.
Bro, listen.
Where you gotta go?
I'm about to make the clearest point right here. Okay, if that's the case, that they're all over the internet, how does that make them the best because they're all over the internet? That don't mean nothing. That means they're just simply popular.
Fuck y'all mad at our opinions.
I'm not mad.
You're not mad. We just going to debate.
I'm debating. Damn,
I hate debate.
You know how mad I get, right?
Right though.
No. Hey, Nas is better than Lil Wayne.
Thank you. No. Yes.
Andre 3000 better than Lil Wayne.
Cool down. All right. Now, why is Tupac the best?
Because he can paint a picture when he's rapping. He can rap about anything. He fucking freestyle. He's creative.
I was gonna ask you, man.
He's
saying.
Lil Wayne's not creative. What's
Okay. All right.
Lil Wayne
He said when it rains it pours. That shit shitty as fuck. Yeah, Lil Wayne cannot skateboard. Real shit.
What can Eminem do?
Real. In the video, all they did was go straight. You saw that video of my homie still, right? Yeah. They called that nigga skateboarder. The entire time, he was just going in a straight line. He was fucking up doing that shit too. He can't skateboard. Truck Fit is a shitty ass clothing line. He does not make good clothes whatsoever. Real shit. Even though I don't like him, if he would have made clothes, I would have rocked his fucking clothes. His clothes is not good.
Draws, nigga.
I would have worn.
He got third out like Slick Rick.
Oh yeah, he said he gotta put a patch over his third eye before he fucking like Slick Rick. That was good.
That makes no sense.
That was
my homie still.
yes. That was good.
That song was stupid as fuck. Man.
That was good. Hey, in the
He's still my favorite rapper.
In the Pusha T diss song, I told y'all about this already. I heard the Pusha T diss song. I heard the first line that nigga said. He got his head up his ass. I'm about to head butt him. I turned that bitch off and walked away angry as fuck.
What does that fucking mean, OJ?
Alright. He said, fuck Pusha T and anybody that loves him. His head is up his ass, so I'ma have to headbutt him.
That makes no fucking sense.
That sounds
head, butt. He said his head is up his butt. Okay. So I'ma headbutt him.
So don't that mean that Lil Wayne got shoved his head up Pusha T's ass?
No. Thank you. Pusha T.
It's up Pusha T's ass. He said Pusha T's head is up his own ass, right?
Pusha T's heads in Pusha T's ass.
So,
can I ask a question? Why the fuck y'all hating?
Who's hating? Y'all is. Y'all right?
Yeah, I'm just telling the truth. Hey, wait, how come it?
Hold on. Wait, say.
Why y'all hating?
Question. How come it's not hating if I said that Soulja Boy suck ass? Or if Lil B suck ass? How come it's hating when I say that Lil Wayne suck ass?
No, what?
Lil Wayne... The Carter 2. Hey, I'll tell you this like I tell everybody. The Carter 2 was hard as fuck. I fuck with Lil Wayne heavy as fuck on the Carter 2.
The Carter 4.
The Carter 3 was horrible in my opinion. I never bought the Carter 3. I bought the Carter 2. The Carter 2 was one of the only albums I ever actually bought. I did not buy the Carter 3.
Alright.
I just didn't like it.
Alright.
He fell off.
All the rappers. Okay, wait. Out of all the rappers, which one brought back hip hop?
Or Wayne? Not Lil Wayne. I ain't gonna compare Wayne and Nas.
Wayne and Nas.
Wait. Lil Wayne is the reason for the recession. Lil Wayne is the reason for terrorism.
With the Carter 3, he brought back hip hop.
I blame Lil Wayne for George Bush getting voted in the president.
This is my main thing. Alright. main thing hip hop started off. Main thing, like hip hop started talking about problems that niggas was going through. Hip hop was talking about real shit.
This nigga talking about Bugattis.
Wayne talking about the shit that he has, and all he do is reword it and talking about in each fucking song.
Hey,
And nobody can relate to
He don't
that
talk
shit
about
but
no
him.
problem.
only time I drove with Bugatti was in his
No, stop.
Just because y'all can't relate, y'all don't know.
I can't really relate to Jay-Z music, but Jay-Z music is hard as fuck.
You can listen to
I know I'm playing.
Pow, one to the head. Now you know he dead.
Duh, he shot him in the head, you dumbass.
Now I
So you gotta state the obvious?
I thought pro in there.
And how come, if that's the case, if he shot him in the head, how come they showed the niggas boxing when he said that line?
What?
Look up the video when he said power went to the head. Now you know he dead. The nigga got punched to the head. He not dead.
Why would you consider a rapper
hits, nigga?
Why would you consider a rapper?
How you know good? How do you with that?
You the one that said he shot him in the head.
Yeah, that's
I didn't say that.
I'll say something different. I'm trying. Look, how can you consider a rapper that talk about literally the same stuff over and over again, like he said, on rewording it, talking about what he has or what other people have that these people like us cannot get up there?
Real shit, I like his
You
deep
consider
songs
a rapper
though.
like Tupac. Say it again. No, listen. You consider a rapper like Tupac that expressed what he used to go through that other people haven't
I
been
relate
through.
to that shit.
Exactly, because you can relate to it. You cannot relate to nothing that Lil Wayne talk about.
I can when I get famous.
When you get famous. Okay,
Okay,
when you get famous, you
I can't when I get famous.
You
bet.
Most people can't do it. Most people can't do it. That's why I don't listen to Wayne, because I cannot relate to nothing he can
Real
really
shit.
talk about.
See, that's why you don't listen to him.
That's why I don't.
If he rap more real songs, I'll fuck with that nigga.
I
That
think Trouble was his realest song to me. I ain't gonna lie.
Another question.
Trouble was his realest song.
Who got better on same song?
Oh yeah, Eminem kills him every trip on the same song. Drop the World. Eminem ate that nigga.
No.
Forever remix. Eminem ate that nigga.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Lil Wayne said that.
Hell no. Hell no.
They had a award for that.
Hell no.
Eminem was the reason Drop the World got good.
On there, I would like that song better.
Eminem still has the top soul album of almost all time, besides Michael Jackson and all of them. He's in the top 5. Little Eminem, by himself. Lil Wayne is nowhere in there. He's not even in the top 10. He's not.
I know he's not.
No, he's not. He can't.
Hey, real shit.
That's my opinion on it.
Can I get everybody's opinion on who the top 5 greatest rappers out of all time are?
Lil Wayne, all time. Shaq, you
I'm gonna go order all time. Hip hop only. Of all time.
Top 5?
Yeah.
I would say Tupac, Biggie, Nas, Eminem, and Ice Cube.
Chris.
I'll go last because
Alright.
Are you going to record it?
Tupac. Who goes after Tupac?
Oh no.
Wait, can I ask a question before? I don't mean to interrupt you. My bad for interrupting you. But this really is a question for him. Cause you said that you like Tupac. Tupac is your favorite rapper of all time, right?
Mm-hmm.
How can you compare? So how can Lil Wayne be your favorite rapper now? They're not even remotely the same.
At all.
Because Tupac is dead, nigga. I said he's the best rapper of all time, dead or alive. But Lil Wayne is my rapper now. Favorite rapper now.
Okay, back to Oja. You said Tupac was number 1.
Tupac, IQ,
No.
Lil Wayne, Eminem, and then fuck that shit. Alright. Tupac, Lil Wayne, Ice Cube, Eminem, and then Exhibit.
No, what?
Can I go?
No, you said you gonna.
Yeah, you go that.
Alright. It goes Pac. It goes Biggie. It goes Jay-Z. It goes Wayne, and it goes M. Or I could say M or Wayne. But Wayne is still my fucking favorite rapper.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I guess Pac,
Oh, gotta handle a problem.
Eminem, Biggie, Jay-Z, and Nas.
You said who first?
Tupac.
Alright, so at least we all agree that Tupac was
Wayne is
number 1.
up there, nigga.
Alright, I'm about to do me right now.
Yeah, Wayne's up there.
Alright, well then you want to flip that back? Alright, my number 1 is Pac.
Everybody.
Then it's Eminem,
You don't like Biggie?
Biggie,
Seriously?
Jay-Z. Actually, no, I take Jay-Z back. Nas, then Jay-Z.
I like that.
Close his fight.
Pac, Biggie, Nas. I'll give it to Jay-Z.
Andre 3000 number 6 though. I just gotta put him in there. Andre 3000 is number 6 for me.
Hey, who'll come up through that is Kendrick though. Kendrick coming up.
Oh yeah, Kendrick Lamar is coming up. Kendrick Lamar is already better than
Lil Wayne.
New artist. Kendrick Lamar.
Lil Wayne been there and done.
What the hell? Kendrick Lamar, my new artist, greatest new rapper out.
Meek Millie.
Big Mill? Man, Big Mill's not up there yet.
Meek Mill's. That nigga.
Kendrick Lamar probably gonna be Kendrick Lamar Absol. Like the two newcomers that's gonna actually like save hip hop.
They smart as fuck. They talk about real shit all
Those
the time.
niggas will save hip hop.
Anomaly nigga.
J. Cole, you gotta put J. Cole in there.
Are you serious?
I'm cutting this off.